right, so let's check out this black apron that was actually sent to me. It does come in a small little plastic container like that, and it is rolled up. Now this apron is made out of cotton, as you can see this material here. Now at first glance, it looks like if it's quite confusing, as this is how these straps are. So you're like, hey, what happened, right? So it is like a crisscross type of apron. But before I put it on and show you, there are some nice pockets right at the front. There are two at the front, so left and right. Now to put this on, you're simply going to hold it up in the air like that. And this middle hole is actually where it goes over your head. And then your hands go into the two sides. And there you have it. It looks like an apron that just basically crisscrosses you. And then the back of it is going to look like this. So it has that crisscross, just the top. And then this front part, as I mentioned, you have two pockets right here. Since it's actually quite long, this is also good for like arts and crafts too, especially with these nice big pockets, and the material, it's definitely going to cover you. I actually prefer this for arts and crafts versus a kitchen, or maybe gardening, or something where you want a nice long coverage. So this is the apron.